So we are going to Baguio District to do some community service. We are gonna have project rides. I'm not sure bitaw sa nga project.
9 projects!
So apparently we're gonna have 9 projects in one. And in one day in one naman good te. Okay.
In one day, daw.
Okay, so we're gonna have 9 projects at one go.
Simultaneously.
You are not corrected. I don't stand corrected. Anyway, so we're gonna have 9 projects going on simultaneously. So these are the people, brave souls. So ayan, napakadami namin. And I just also want to let you guys know that we have our LC Angel. Meron din siyang project with JCI. Unsa ba?
Andaw Merchant.
With JCI Andaw Merchants doing something.
Project.
Yeah, definitely something positive, something that creates lasting change. Which I will update you guys later. Bye. Say hi. Yeah, perfect. Ayan ka na, girl.
Kaya lang magulito kay pwede ra maka...
We have this and Nutribon. We have the Lugaw section and the Nutribon section.
Hello!
Hey, so this is the team. Really? Oy, guys, sige, follow. Hi all.
People. We are repacking all of our donations.
Nahatag po og mga tabang sa komunidad.
Face of Manolet.
Magdula-dula.
Yeah, the face of Manolet. Hi, so I am with our project chair, Director Jocelyn Lacson, and right now, can you explain your project to us? Can you share your project? Yeah. Can you share your project?
Hi everyone, so we are here at Barangay Anong Baguio District. This community, majority of the people here are IT. And then we've chosen this because according to the National Police, they need some life training or CPR and fire awareness. Kasi because of the location, tayo dun siya.
Yeah.
Like we traveled for 1 hour and 50 minutes from downtown going to here. And that is why
And can you share, since this is a 9 project in one project, right? This is congratulations to her na pull off niya ito with the little time that she has and yes. So with this, ano yung mga ating 9 in 1 project? First, we have awareness, yung sensitive sleepers, mental kit, lugaw, massage training, over of Tambol for the PNP and the barangay. And then next is, and of course, we found out what are the problems or what are the needs of the community, and what we do is we bridge gaps, right? And so we partnered with the Rotary, PNP, PNP, and different government organizations or LGUs. Yes, as long as we can deliver the help in the community. Yes, and we also found sponsors and had the Sintiba Angel in that opportunity.
1, 2, 3. Salamat po.
May takadagabiin. Ito, ang pananglitan si tatay o si siningan o doon pa kin ma'am. Yan. Ang atuang mata.
Hello! So thank you so much, Manolet, one of our generous sponsors. And go! Manolet! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ay, asa tao din? Ay, yeah. And 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you so much, Manolet, for with a generous sponsorship. Ayan. Ta-da! Let's eat! Cheers, cheers, cheers! Go chair! Yay! Lame! Ah! Hi sir, thank you so much. I haven't seen you. Try that. Ulit. Hello. Yes, hello baby. Wala na akong ma-offer, my loves. Naubos na. Magpa-adapt ka, no? Ala.
Pwede siya 6 or more. Itansya ni mo kay usually ang massage mong good is 1
Kanina
hour.
ko siya nag-extract,
So, if
guys. Wala na akong mabigay sa kanya.
Medyo ano ka, ganahan ka or tasin mong time more than 6.
Meron ka lang.
So, itansya ko ni mo nga. Dili ko siya mabunog. So, next
So,
is
ang name niya, guys, is Adobo.
kinig.
Sir, so abot na rin.
GCR Lakambili Gabang. God bless po sa inyong naman.
One each lang. After project, samgyup salamat. Waiting for others, kay nag-drive pa ang uban. Siyempre, busy si project chair sa attendance sheet. Kami, we are gonna eat with our Tigluto MM. Thank you, Vips! Guys, I'm so excited sa Enoki. This is the best sa Samgyup Salamat so far and by far. Like, yummers. So hardworking, may lakam queen. So this is the attendance, guys. Laban Peya. We are graced with the presence of our PE. PE 2025.
Thank you, baby.
Correct. So, PE, I want to, ask your confirmation. Librihin mo daw ako 50% sa aking travels. By the way, guys, I'm the VP for Internationalism for 2025 with our VP for InDev this 2025. So, thank you, PE. We caught this on cam already. So, aftermath of eating. After project tradition is eating or lakam budget. I know. By the way, if you guys are wondering where is our President Sharina, she is currently in India, but of course, even if wala siya, meron pa rin guidance and help from her. So yes, her presence is still felt and meron siyang mga sponsorships and pinadala for us to basically, help the project as well. And ayun lang, I think we will call it a day or maybe, I don't know, baka meron pang coffee after, but I will call this a day. But we'll call this a day. So, bye!